You're gonna do it? Are you still doing it?
Okay, I want to have a small clip of our neighborhood. Beautiful houses. Wow, look at this. Welcome to Economo Walk. Schmitz family from Argentina, and we have Daddy John Schmitz and we have, who's back there? Sophia. And my filming is not that great. We are approaching our house. Beautiful neighborhood. See, the snow is melting. This is our next door neighbor. This is across the street from us. And this is our house, Fran's house, with the American flag right there, like a good patriot. And Emily, do I have to have the whining in the background, please? This is his office bay window and our front door. That's all. See you later.